Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you and a little bit of storage from Walmart. So very quick. I'm going to start with the Walmart because it's a repeat item. So I picked up two more. These are the $4.99 Essentials storage boxes from Walmart. And they're 12 by 12, so I love these, especially now because I want to try to get these things organized by collections as far as my paper stuff is going, and then also I could see my collections easier and just grab it and work out of these containers. So I got two of those, and then because these are so hard to come by at Walmart, I picked up two of the jewelry storage boxes, and it's got all the bins, and I picked this up in my last storage haul from Walmart. These are $6.98 or something like that. It's under $7, so I got two of those. And you know, remember I'm trying to eliminate or decrease the number of storage containers, so I think if I go with the bigger containers, it'll make it easier on me. We shall see. Okay, so that was it for Walmart, and now I got some Dollar Tree items to share. I picked up the Halloween garlands. These are the Happy Halloween orange banners, and they have cats all over it. I picked two of those up, and I also, sorry for the crinkling, and the cricket, because the cricket is going. I picked up two of the skeleton garlands. I got two of those, and I also got two of the ghosts. And I think that was it for these garlands. These are the styles that they had. Actually, I think there was another one where it had the pumpkins and the bats, and I didn't grab it. I picked them up for a friend, but I didn't grab any for myself. But that is what I picked up for as far as the garland. Sorry, all the noise. Okay, so these are new to me. These are the transparent, or whatever this is called, sheer ribbon. So it's the same as this one, but it's white. And depending on where you pick it up, see this one, I got this one in the floral section. This is also in the floral section, but it was with the Halloween stuff. No, I take it back. It was supposed to be in the floral section, but it was actually where the Halloween ribbons were, in the front, where they had all the seasonal stuff. So that's a little confusing. But anyway, I got two of those. And then I picked up some shelf sitters. So they're a little sloppy. I mean, it looks like I made it with the hot glue, but I think we could work with these. So I got the witch, I got the pumpkin, and I got the, did I say witch? I thought I got the witch. Anyway, I got the cat. Look at, see, this is the glue strings. You just got to get some glue strings off of there. I got the ghost, the pumpkin, and the cat for now. And that's what I have. Let's go into this one. I grabbed these little vase fillers. So they had these three colors. I grabbed two of each color. So what I want to do is throw in one of each of these colors into my prize for my birthday giveaway. So one of each is going to go into the giveaway, and the others are going into my stash. I also found this little magic wand. They have the costume stuff out, and I'm going to be working with a Frozen collection. So I thought that was cute. I didn't pick up the crown, not necessary. So I did pick up the wand, and I think I will create a rosette wand with that. That's the idea. That's the plan. You guys, this is what I was talking about last time I did a Dollar Tree haul. These are the mold figurines, and they're for kids, but we're doing Disney in September, and I thought that would be fun to do. This is Minnie Mouse, and this is Daisy, and this is Elsa. I get them mixed up all the time. And this is Anna. So perfect for my Frozen paper collection, and also for Mickey, the regular Disney in September type deal. But these were the only 4 that my Dollar Tree had, and it comes with the Play-Doh that you use for to fill the mold. But I was also thinking of you know, using the regular polymer clay. You can use it into one of these, or even the air dry clay, which I thought I could find, but I didn't pick it up this time. Not at Dollar Tree. I didn't find any at Dollar Tree. I didn't even bother to check at Walmart. But yeah. Anyway, this is a Dollar Tree. I found this. This is really thick pressed wood shelf, you know, decoration, and I didn't notice that this one's a little messed up, but that's okay. I don't mind, because my stuff doesn't have to be perfect all the time. So this one I found in the Halloween, of course, the Halloween aisle, seasonal section. And then I found this one. This is Trick or Treat. This one says Home Sweet Haunted Home. So I thought those would be cute. Whoops, I just damaged it a little bit myself. So anyway, those will be nice on my Halloween shelf. Guys, I'm going to be covered in glitter. Woo. Okay, we're almost done. The other thing I found in the Halloween aisle were the coffins. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Isn't he cute? I thought that would be great for Halloween. I'll put that out. And I'm hoping this sticker doesn't ruin my coffin. Okay, come on. Yes. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I thought it was cool. That's why I picked it up. So these would be great come October, when we're doing traditional Halloween decorating, crafting, any of that, all of the above. So that would be amazing. Look at that. I love it. And once again, I think either I damaged it or it was already damaged. So just be careful when you go, of course, to Dollar Tree. You know, check the items out before you throw them in your cart. Anyway, let me pull these out. These are mainly for me or whoever, if I get, you know, the need to give it up. They are squishies. I love squishies, guys. You should know that by now. I just put all the glitter on the ghost, so I guess the ghost is gonna stay with me. Anyway, there's a ghost, there's a candy corn, and then there's the pumpkin, and they're so super soft. And these would be great even just to sit out on my shelf for decoration too. Or if you have little ones, those are always handy. Okay, so I gave in. I think I'll be using these for sequin mixes. These are just the party favors, these syringes. I've seen Louisa and some other crafters using this, and they put sequin mixes and shaker bits and stuff like that in there. So I thought that would be fun to play with. Then non-crafty items, I picked up a nail clipper and 2 of these jade facial roller. I don't know, I thought it was cool, plus the color is real pretty. So my daughter will be here in a few hours, and I figure I'd give her one and I can have one, and we can test them out together. Okay, so the next thing were some Dollar Tree signs. So I picked this one up. I made a mistake. I was supposed to grab 2, and I thought these were so awesome. I don't even know if you could see what it really is. It's a pickup truck, guys. You guys probably have all seen it in somebody else's live or Dollar Tree haul, but yeah, It's a pickup truck sign. That's basically what that is. And then I got this one, which says come in for a spell. And I thought that is awesome for the military, not the military, for me, for my front door. Anyway, a few more things and then we're done. So this I've never seen. These are the cauldrons. It comes as a set of 4. It says trick or treat, so I could share these with the giveaway with my prizes. This one says Death by Candy. I love that. And then the last one is Happy Halloween, and it just has it on both sides. And I thought those are adorable. I can have some for myself and share some with the giveaway. Fun, fun, fun stuff. Okay, so I don't know. I don't have anybody that needs this, but I love these children's playing cards. They are the Early Skills flashcards. Look at this guy. It says Winnie the Pooh first words, right? Look at the color of these cards, but then you also get these awesome, amazing words, images. So let's turn this over. Look, even the directions come on a cute little background card, so you could use this. You know, all the ladies that do the altered projects, I love that. And then you have the house. And hold on. All right, guys, so let me just share this with you and then I gotta go. So these have these matching word cards, flashcards. Look at these images. I can't wait to play with these. I'm imagining photos or journaling spots because they're all so cute. Cute. So that one is the Pooh Bear. And then I also got the ones that's Mickey and Mickey in the shapes, colors and shapes. So we've got circles. Look at all the Mickeys, and he's doing different postures. Isn't that cute? Look, he's doing the little winky wink. And then the back you have the clubhouse Mickey. I thought these were gorgeous. Oh, you got Minnie in here too. And Daisy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Minnie and her picnic basket. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Donald. Oh my gosh, who else is in here? So we got Donald, we got Daisy. Oh my gosh, you guys. Awesome, awesome. And we got Pluto and Goofy. Oh my gosh. So cute. So, so, so cute. So, all right, guys, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul, and I will see you all on the next video. And yes, I did go to Dollar Tree. Bye.